The 5 most dangerous animals. Meet the top 5 most dangerous animals on Earth. First, the mighty mosquito. Small but lethal, spreading deadly diseases worldwide. Second, the stealthy saltwater crocodile. The world's largest living reptile, an unforgiving predator. Then, the African elephant. Majestic, yet deadly if crossed or threatened. Fourth, the commanding Cape buffalo. Unpredictable and responsible for numerous fatalities yearly. Finally, the poison dart frog. Tiny, brightly colored, and incredibly venomous. Approach with caution. These 5 remind us, in nature, beauty often masks danger.